Okay, so here's the bottle of hand sanitizer. So what we do is that we grab this little plastic gun here. You see how the squat feature right?
Yeah.
Yes, Maya?
Very good.
Well, we put the hand sanitizer inside. Okay, like this. How you open this thing? There you go. Hold on. Wait. There you go. See? Hand sanitizer going in. Now I just need to work. Now work. Did it still have hand sanitizer? A little bit on my nose. Whoa! Super. What's going on? Well, you see, I got this flying, so coming up, and I can't learn how to fly. Oh, really? Yes, I'm the only bird in this. I'm pretty much like the only bird in this whole world, and I can't learn how to fly. Aw, poor Swoop bird. Well, you know what? How about we help you on this little? How about we help you on this little show by us teaching you how to fly? Really? You'll do that for me? Of course we will. That's what friends do, right? That's how we do, Molly, right? Yes, exactly. So, what you need is some flying lessons. But don't worry, it won't take that long. Or will it? Depends how long is this show going to be, and when is it going to start? It starts in 1 hour. 1 hour. Well, that's 1 hour. Well, we have time to do it, right, guys? It shouldn't take 1 hour just to do flying lessons, right?
Yeah, it shouldn't be. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
We're following them. Come on, Code.
Okay. I guess I just have to walk. Can you fly? A little bit. I can fly just a little bit. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Princess Peach.
That's okay. Yeah. Why are you putting skin on my face? Oh, sorry. There's no more places. No more places to sit down.
It's up here. Okay. Well, anyway. So do you know how this works? Well, basically, yeah. So we need you to fly all the way over there. Where? 2 metal towers, all the way over there across the main area, the ground. Okay. So what do I do? Well, basically, what you have to do is just fly. You know, just keep trying. But what if I fall not that far? How about I don't die? Where's my feathers? Oh, don't worry. The pirates save you, right, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you ready? I don't know. It's a little bit too risky, right? Oh, don't worry. It won't be that bad. Okay, I guess I'll try it then. 1, 2, 3, and Jimmy Bob. He's gonna do it right, everyone? Hold me, Princess Peach.
Okay, sweetheart.
Woohoo! Now this is how someone flies. Whoa! Oh no! Flying Swoop bird.
What's going on?
Well, Flying Swoop needs help. Emergency kit. On. Okay, what is wrong? What's wrong with somebody? Did you break anything? No, I just... I broke... I didn't break anything, but... kind of took a lot of fall damage. Oh no, you okay? Yeah, but so we get back fine. Okay, well... here we go. All you need to do is just fly up there. Okay. Okay, Mario. What? Okay, well... That doesn't seem to work.
You tell me.
Well, we want you to fly, but we don't... So how are we supposed to make you fly? Because, you're a bird. Well, birds do fly. Yeah, but Luigi, birds have to learn how to fly when they're like a low age, Just this big, basically.
Okay.
And yeah, so basically, you will learn how to fly when you're this age. Not like... hold on, can I see really quick? Not this age.
Okay. So basically, this age, Mario?
That age. You need to be, around that age is when you can fly. Okay. Yeah, so, do you know how, do you know anything about flying, though? Well, I do know some things, you learn how to fly when you're, 8. You learn how to fly when you're, 7. 7? Well, it was 8. 8. No, it's 7. No, it's 8. 7, 8.
7. Okay, would you please stop on cue, please?
Oh, sorry, Princess Peach.
I love you, Mario.
I love you too. So, anyway, that's enough about the aging. Let's just worry about flying. Okay, that's the thing we need. That's the most important thing we need to do. Okay, well, maybe this time instead of flying to metal towers, you can fly. You can fly to over there. That's usually where people fly. Okay. So just fly over there and tell us as if you're over there or not. Okay.
I love the honey, Mario.
Me too. And have some good times.
Uh-huh.
Oh, we're making it. This is true, and I'm walking on my side. Whoa.
Wow.
Oh dear.
You okay? What am I saying about?
I don't know. Might as well just lay here all day. But that's not the spirit. Huh? That is not the spirit me and Maya's mother told us. No. You don't give up. You don't just lay around. You have to do it. You have to do the courage. The courage is in my hands. And now, I am going to teach you how to do that with my fluff hat on me. It's supposed to be good too, look at that. No, not my beak. Listen, you won't get it right until you actually do it, You don't just do this via via some sort of transportation with this, You have to do it with courage, with a mechanism, with awesomeness. You don't give up. So you're saying I shouldn't give up and I should actually just do it? Yeah, that's how you do it. You see, that's how I did when me and mine were kids. Okay, well, I'll listen to you, courage friends. I'll listen to your advice. Good, Swoop bird. Let's go. But first I have to wait here. Just kidding.
Tickle. Well, birds.
Well,
Back already, Luigi?
I'm back, Daisy. I'm back too, and I know how to fly. You do? Uh-huh. Luigi told me that he shouldn't just sway around and give up. You should actually fly. You should actually do the courage. Luigi said you and him did that as kids. That's true, we did, right, Princess Peach?
Uh-huh. I know you didn't tell me too much when you were kids.
Oh. Sorry.
It's okay.
So I fly? Of course. That's what I told you, right? Yeah. What's fly? Whoa. This is actually quite neat. Just do the courage. Keep flying. Don't get distracted. Ready, boys? What the? Get the speak off me. Hey guys, I did it. I actually did the roll.
Oh yeah. I know you do it. I'm super. Uh-huh. Me too. Me 4. Me 4. Me 5.
Whoa. Ah. Ouch.